Hi there, my name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner. And in my previous video, I showed how to get up off the floor after you had the knee replacement. And several people asked me, what about if I had two knee replacement, bilateral knee replacement? How can I get up off the floor without, when you can't bend your knees very well, either knee? And so in this video, instead of me doing a demonstration, I asked my son if he can get up off the floor without bending his knees. And so he figured it out. And so anyways, take a look and see what you think. And this is how and what he came up with. So what do you think? Not too bad, right? And so he did pretty well. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you find this one helpful and a little funny. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button if you're new to this channel and you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Any questions, any comments, and please leave them in the comment section down below. So anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.